how to respond to a message from my business account in Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can respond to a message from your business account in Yelp. As a business owner, you can respond to messages from your business account to engage with customers effectively, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to create a Yelp for Business account by moving to the top part of the screen and then logging in into your business account by clicking on login into business account. And then once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your business page. On the page, navigate to your inbox section, and then once you're in your inbox section, click on the message you would like to respond to. After clicking on the message you'd like to respond to, you'll be taken to the page where you would see a search box and all of that. Type the draft your response and click send to message the user. Then you can also upload up to 5 photos to attach to your response, depending on the kind of question that was asked. All right, and then straight away, the sender will also receive a notification of the message, and communication will be done effectively. All right. For email responses as well, you can enable your email notifications to respond to messages from your email address in your settings. All right. So when you receive an email notification about a new message, you can just reply directly for your email and you are good to go. So this is how to respond to a message from your business account in Yelp. Just create a business account, go to your inbox section, click the message you want to respond to, draft your response, and send it to the sender. Thanks for watching and have a good day.